need proof.
No,
now.
stop. You're pushing
Getting
me.
in the car.
Stop.
In the car.
I admit it to you.
You're lying.
On May 10, 2023, an officer with the Cocoa Beach Police Department initiated a traffic stop. Within minutes, it escalated into a felony arrest over false identity.
I don't. Yeah. Okay. What's your first name?
My first name's Sophia.
Spell it for me.
G-A-T-I-A-N-A.
Okay, and then last name?
Brown.
Oh. Okay, and birthday?
1/14/92.
She gives a name, but it's not hers, and the consequences are just beginning.
Okay, so be honest, because I'm trying to be nice here. Do you actually have a license?
Okay, I will be honest. I was nervous and I love you.
Obviously.
I have a license.
Huh?
I have a license.
Okay.
My name's Sophia Valkersel. And I'm fine. I just got nervous because the stuff's revoked and I didn't know what to do in the situation.
Wait, what?
Their tags were expired, so I just got nervous.
That has nothing to do with you, though.
I don't know what to do. That's why I'm like freaking out.
So you give me a completely different person's name?
I'm sorry. I don't want to make things complicated.
Okay, spell the correct name.
A-T-H-Y-A. Valkersel. V-A-L-C-A-R-C-E-L.
Okay, birthday?
October 11, 2000.
The truth comes too late. By now, suspicion has already hardened into certainty.
Alright, come here for a second. I had to show you something.
What?
Just come here. Just come here so I can show you what I gotta show you. A photo. Alright, turn around, put your hands behind your back.
No.
Don't. Stay in the car. Stay in the car. Don't move.
I'm not.
Don't move.
It's okay.
I'm tired of you lying. That's not who you are.
Excuse me?
That's not who you are.
What is going on? Why is this happening? Why are you arresting me? Wait.
Stop moving.
I'm not. Okay, I'm
That's
sorry.
not your name.
Why are you? What do you mean? Ow. Wait. Why are you handcuffing me?
Because you're lying to me.
I'm not lying.
Yes, she is. Because she lied to me about her name twice.
No, what?
I just looked up that photo and that's not you at all. No, it's not.
He's seen the photo. The facade crumbles in seconds. There's no turning back now.
No, you've lied to me too much.
No, there's one time I was nervous. Please, can you stop? Nope. Can you call my mom, please?
I'm not calling nobody. Get in the car.
This is not good. Wait, please.
Get in the car.
What? Why are you saying I'm lying now?
Because you are. I can see driver's license photo. That's
I
not
have a
you.
driver's license.
That's not you. Get in
That
the
is
car.
me. My name is Sophia Valkersel, and you're doing.
What's your middle name?
Bishara.
Sure it is. Get in the car.
Excuse me.
Get in
Let
the
me
car.
see what you're talking about. I
Get in
need
the
proof.
car
No,
now.
stop. You're pushing
Getting
me.
in the car.
Stop pushing me. Stop pushing me.
Get in the car.
I'm not lying.
82, step it up now.
Okay, I don't want this.
Get in the car.
I'm gonna get in the car.
Get in the car.
Okay. I'm getting in the car. Okay?
Get in.
I'm getting in. I'm getting in. Wait, can you get my phone, please?
Close. Move your legs.
Can you keep...
So I pulled the driver out because she's been lying to me about her name. I told her to come back with me, and then she started pulling away, and I'm like, no. And I told her to get in the car, and she didn't want to.
Hello, how are you?
Do I look like the same person to you?
No. What's your real name? You don't know your real name? You can go straight to jail under Jane Doe, and I'll figure it out that way.
I don't know why this is happening right now.
Because you're lying.
I didn't do what I said, and...
That's not your real name. Put it on that.
Okay. Give me a ticket. Give me anything, but I don't want to go to jail. Please. Officer Brown, please, can you hear me? I can't do this. My life is going to be over. Please.
There are things called consequences, and
Yes, you're right. But right now, I feel like I'm getting part of the consequence, and there's got to be another way. Please don't take me to jail.
hey, Sarge. Good, how about you? Alright, step out. He's gotta do the fingerprint thing.
Just kind of trying to verify who you, if you are who you say you are, through a fingerprint. Okay. If you can just step out.
Yeah, you can
I just
come
have to reach around. I have to get right index and a left
Why do I
index.
have to do this? I don't understand.
We're just trying to verify who you are.
Yes.
Sir, you verified so many different times.
I did verify that. I told you. Like I explained.
I want to call my mom.
It's okay. No. Just,
I want to
you
call
don't,
my
you don't
mother.
have the right to
Yeah, you can't
counsel.
refuse
What
this.
right do I have?
Not the right to counsel or to call your mom. We're just trying to verify that you are who you say you are.
This is the lowest point. Her words blur into sobs. It's no longer about a charge, it's about fear.
Yes, so you need to get out.
I don't want to do it.
Well, you have no choice.
Why don't I have a choice? Stop it. Why? Please stop. Please stop.
Just
Stop. Stop. Stop.
Stop.
I don't feel comfortable. Please stop.
well, then just relax, and
No,
it'll be.
you're holding me tight. I don't know why. And I've already
I'm not
spoken
holding
to
you.
Please let go
tight.
of me. Please let go of me.
Stop moving.
Stop forcing me. Stop forcing me. Stop forcing me.
Relax
Stop.
your hand.
No. Let me go. Let me go. Let me go.
I need you to relax your hand.
No. I'm gonna have no.
Or you're going to get booked under Jane Doe.
Okay.
And you're going to stay in jail for 5 extra days.
Why?
Because they
that's
can't
how the system
identify
works.
you.
Leave me alone. Please stop. Please stop. What are you doing to me? Stop.
Stop to catch another charge.
Stop it.
You're not trying to
Stop it. Stop. Leave me alone. Get off of me.
You're gonna get
Stop.
sprayed.
Stop. 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 Get off of me. No. Let me go. Stop. I said no. I don't want to.
Relax your
Stop.
hand, ma'am.
Leave me alone.
You're gonna get
off
pepper
of
sprayed.
me. Get off of me. Why am I gonna be pepper sprayed? Leave me alone. Get off
Open
of
your
me.
hand.
Get off of me. No.
Listen, I understand you're
Stop.
intoxicated right now.
Why am I
And I
intoxicated?
can smell the alcohol in your breath.
I'm not intoxicated.
Okay, then relax your hand.
Let
Relax.
go of me.
You've already kicked me. You already
I
got
did
to
not
draw a
kick
felony
you.
charge for
I did
battery
not
on a law
kick you.
enforcement officer.
I
Yes,
did
you
not kick you.
absolutely did.
Stop.
Relax your hand right
Please
now.
stop. You're hurting me. You're hurting me. Stop it. You're hurting me. Stop.
Relax your
Stop.
hand.
Let go of me.
I will when we're
Let
done.
go of me. Let go of me. Let go of me. Call my mom.
What's your mom going to say?
Get off
So
of
relax
me.
and let me take your fingerprint?
Get off of me. Stop. Stop.
Relax your hand.
Stop. Why are you forcing me?
Because you're gonna have to do this after. I'm just gonna.
Do not kick me again. That's twice.
I'm not kicking you. I live. Stop it! Stop doing it! You're hurting me so bad.
Okay, relax your hand.
Let me go!
There's a phone call.
Would you get up?
You fell to the ground.
Yep. Get up. Get up. Get up, or I will pepper spray you at this point.
Get up.
Get up.
It's a lawful order, man.
Now get back in the car.
No, get in the car.
Get in the car.
These are horrible people.
Talk to you on a flood.
2 days in jail, 2 felony charges, 1 shattered moment of panic, and a permanent record to match.